But
Okay.
now I started looking.
In which domain, Preeti? Actually, your voice is breaking, Preeti. I don't know. Like, your voice is breaking.
1 minute. Are you able to hear now?
Yeah. I mean, I'm able to hear, but in between, I think the voice is breaking. I mean, there's no
Yeah,
signal. Yeah. Okay, Preeti, in which domain are you working, Preeti?
Basically I was working on Java.
Oh, okay, okay. So you want to come like a Java with TIPCO or?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Preeti. Today I will go with the demo.
Okay.
So, like, what are the concepts I'm going to cover in this? So you are looking for TIPCO BW, right?
Yeah.
Business Works.
Could you please let me know which is in demand tip for BW or sports tire? I don't know much about this thing.
Yeah, sure. I mean, just I will let you know. Like, we are discussing about BW only. What are the topics I'm going to cover in the entire course content? Okay. So
Okay.
before jumping into TIPCO, like first 2 or 3 classes, it's like a theoretical class, no hands-on exercises. Okay. Just I think
Okay.
you will be aware of these terms, right? So ESB, EAI.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, what is meant by service-oriented architecture? What is a service? And everything would be like as per the requirement.
Yeah.
Okay, as per the, I mean, we'll be going for TIPCO trainings, right? Conducted by TIPCO company.
Yes.
So those trainings only, I mean, I have taken all those documents and I have prepared full course content.
So
Okay.
you will be
So
sharing
what is
software.
over? Yeah, I'll be sending the software.
Okay. How you will be sending?
Okay.
Yeah.
Dropbox.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, I'll be sending this one. Before jumping into TIPCO, we'll discuss about what is a SOBA, I mean how it is implemented in an organization, what is a service, about services in SOBA, and what are the various integration patterns. There are like mainly 4 types of integration patterns: file-based, database, remote procedure, and the messaging. And we'll see for each and every pattern, each have its own pros and cons. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
And what is ESB? ESB is nothing but Enterprise Service Bus, where TIPCO EMS will come into picture.
Yeah.
Okay? So
Yeah. Okay.
ESB means it sits in the middle. And
May I know
EAI
your name, please?
introduction, Lakshmi.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah, no problem. So EAI means Enterprise Application Integration, and what are the differences between EAI versus SOVA, and some summary point. So basically, like 2 or 3 classes, it's like a theoretical class. And then I'll give an introduction on TIPCO. What is meant by TIPCO, why we need an integration. Okay, what are the key approaches, what are the key components of TIPCO means we do have like a TIPCO business works engine, business works, I mean designer, sorry, TIPCO designer, administrator, all of those are nothing but the key components. Okay, and TIPCO runtime agent, TRA.
Okay.
And installation of TIPCO. I mean, installation of TIPCO, we have some prerequisites. Okay. So
Okay.
before installing, like we have to install, there's some particular order where we have to install each and every product. Okay,
Yeah, okay.
and that is about TIPCO introduction. Can I know why you're looking, you want to jump into TIPCO in your own company or you're looking jobs in some other company?
Yeah, I want to switch in some other company.
Okay, so for Java, how many years did you work?
No, actually I left the job last month. So now I am sitting
I
at
mean,
home
you,
only.
in which place you are from?
I'm from Delhi.
Oh, India only, right?
Yeah,
You stay in India.
yeah.
Okay. Um, and then we'll see about file palette. 1 second, I will open the designer so that you'll have a clear picture. This is a TIPCO designer. You can see the version, right?
Yeah.
And we are using a TIPCO Active Matrix BusinessWorks 5.11. But when I worked, I mean, most of the companies will be using 5.7 only.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah, okay.
6.1 is the latest version, I guess. We do have like 5.11 and 5.10 now. So you want to put some experience in your resume or you want to continue like a fresher?
Yeah, I want to switch to TIPCO so that I can go for TIPCO job, not just for
Okay.
resume.
Okay.
Basically, I want good hands-on on TIPCO.
Yeah, hands-on only will be covering, but these are the terms which you have to know.
Yeah, yeah.
Actually, after getting the requirements, it's the architect duty. I mean, to um, see all of this one, SOA and those things. So we need not worry, just for the developer, we need to know like how to design a project, those kind of stuff. Okay. So you can see in this project, this is a real-time project, okay, where I worked on. Not only
Okay.
this one, I do have some couple of projects. So see, these are all
Actually,
the
one
real-time
question.
projects only. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, will you be sharing
Go
any
ahead.
real-time project or not?
If you want, I can send it, but I have to remove all the company names where I work. I mean,
Yeah,
I
okay.
didn't work in India. I worked in US only. Uh,
Okay.
so just I will remove those company names and I will send you. I mean, I do have some sample projects also for some of the, for training purpose. I do have some projects. I need to filter it out. Okay. So when I right click like this and when I say add resource, there are some couple of palettes, right? Each and everything
Yeah,
is known
okay.
as a palette. File palette, FTP palette, HTTP palette. Under file palette, again under each and every palette we have a group of activities. Under file palette I do have create file, read file, these are all known as the activities.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah, okay.
Some group of organized group of related activities, related. Okay, these activities are related to files. So all these are grouped into one palette, file palette. Similarly, HTTP also. These activities are related to HTTP. So all this grouped into one palette, HTTP palette. Similarly, Java. We can use Java also. Especially I have used a Java code and Java method in real time.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So Java code is nothing but a simple core Java. We have some try and catch blocks, right, in Java.
Yeah.
just will write our code, right? That and those things will be using Java code. And then Java method. Method is nothing but say if we have built any jar file, say if the front end is a Java team or any portal team or any Pega or anything. So if you want to make use of the jar file, then we have to import those jar files in TIBCO. And then in that particular jar files, we do have like classes and methods, right?
Okay,
In
Doctor, one
class,
more
we
thing.
can,
I have not worked
Yeah.
much on codes because I was in support project, and basically support was through testing tool like quality center. So I don't have
okay,
much knowledge
okay.
of coding.
Okay. I thought you were the base only Java development. Okay, so each and every palette will have its activities. Okay. So
Yeah.
similarly, I will be discussing some file palette. Under file palette, we do have these activities which I'll be covering, and two or three activities I'll give like an assignment. Okay. I will create file, read file, list file, everything I'll be discussing in class only. And next one is the parse palette. Parse palette means say when I worked in when at my previous earlier project, my previous project, like we used to get some bank checks, okay, from different banks. Each and every bank will have its own data format. Some banks used to send in a text file, okay. Some banks used to send in an IDX format, index format. Okay, like that.
Okay.
Each and every bank will used to send some batches of files. Some will be sending in XML format. So we have to extract the data out of those files.
Okay.
Okay, at that point of time, parse palette will come into picture. I will give you one module of my project where I work real requirement. I have a template. After getting the business requirement, they will provide us the template, right, to develop our project. They will give all the bank names, what are the header fields in that bank, those things I will explain you, and then I'll jump into parse palette. Real time how it works, I will let you know. Okay, so parse in the data and data format. And similarly, JDBC palette. JDBC palette is nothing but it's used to communicate with databases. Okay. You have a simple idea, right? Basically on select query, insert, update, delete. So JDBC query means it's nothing but a simple select statement. Okay, and JDBC update is nothing but in any data manipulation statement like insert, update, delete. Okay, and SQL direct is nothing but a customized one, dynamically executed. Will dynamically execute the SQL statement. And JDBC call procedure, it's nothing but a stored procedure. Say if we have a stored procedure in Oracle, then we have to call that stored procedure from TIBCO. Then we can use this activity. Okay? And JDBC query versus SQL direct.
Yeah.
This is very important question. Definitely they'll ask you in interview. Definitely they'll ask you as per the US terms I'm telling you, because I have attended a lot of interviews. So everyone will ask this question: what is the difference between JDBC query and SQL direct? Okay, and there would be one real-time project explanation using JDBC palette. Generally, this JDBC palette is very important, so I'll be covering in 4 to 5 classes only for JDBC palette. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
And in JDBC palette only, I will let you know all of this one, loops and transitions. Iterate loop, repeat until true, repeat on error until true. Do you have any idea about this for loop? In C or in Java also we do have, right? For Java.
Yeah.
While loop.
Yes,
So
yes.
those only. Iterate means it repeats the activities. Repeat until true means until that condition, until the specified condition is true, it will repeat the loop. Repeat on error until true means until that condition is satisfied. Okay, then it repeats the true. On error. And transactional is in real time we'll be using this one. Transactional. So if we have any parent and child tables, okay, at that point of time transactional grouping will come into picture. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
And success, these are all nothing but the transitions, and I'll show you one real time project. Okay? And general activity palette. Everything is nothing but a palette discussion only, what I'm saying. See. When you click on add results in general activity, we do have all of these palettes, right? Activities, sorry.
Okay.
This is a general activities palette, and this palette we do have in activities. So I will explain you each and every, not all the activities, some of the activities are really very important, which are used in real time. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
And the call process dynamic override. Dynamically we have to call the process. Okay? Dynamically we have to call the process means, say at runtime we have to think like whether to call that process or not. It depends on the request which we are getting. Say for one request we have to call process 1. For second request we have to call process 2. At that point of time this will come into the picture. Okay? And I'll show you one real-time project also. I mean, at one class only I can understand, you can't understand anything, but just I'm telling you the flow which we are going to cover. Okay, just you have an idea, right? So for that purpose, don't expect anything to be understandable in one class only. Okay, and shared variable versus block shared variable, get set shared variable, all of these concepts like the process variables. They'll ask you the interview question also, in which case will we have to go for a process variable. I mean, I will let you know the requirement. For that requirement, we have to go this process variable. Okay? In real time. Not like a definition, I'm not telling you. Like according to the requirement, we have to send it. What are all required? Say if I'm discussing process variable, corresponding to the process variable, I will give you one business requirement. I will tell you one scenario where I have uncounted. Okay? And error handling activities, generate error, catch, read through, everything. And coming to web services. In web services, is very, very, very important. Okay, it would be some 2 hours of class in one day only, I will tell you. Because I can't put a break in the web services. There is like a step-by-step method we have to go. Okay, that one you have to remember. So, through web services, when we are discussing web services, we will be covering this palette. Okay, schema, SOAP palette, service palette, all of these palettes will be covered in services only. WSDL means web services description language. Okay?
Yeah.
And SOAP palette and service palette. Generally, we'll be using, most of the times we'll be using service palette only. And this is also one of the interview questions. They will ask you what is the difference between SOAP and service palette.
Okay.
Okay? And you generate context resource, get context, everything I'll let you know at the point of time because I can't go deeply also now, right? Without discussing web services. So, HTTP palette I'll be discussing, and Java palette. Java palette means creating alias library means, I told you jar files, right? We have to import those jar files in TIBCO. So I'll let you know how to import those jar files. Okay, import and export file aliases, Java code, Java method, how to import jar files and design time libraries, and if required Java installation. Okay?
Okay.
And then any idea about XML?
Not much.
Do you have any idea about XML, like what a root element, what is a child element?
Okay.
How to create an XML, simple XML document? How many root elements will be there for an XML document?
Okay.
So those I will discuss. What is XML? XST means schema. Okay, schema versus DTD. And well-formed XML versus valid XML. This is also one of the interview questions. Okay, and parse XML, render XML. These things I will be discussed. And then web services overview, it's like a theoretical class. Okay, just a theoretical part because you have to know like SOAP structures and everything, right? Why we have to go for a web service. Okay, really I got this requirement. So when we get a business requirement from the business team, either we have to develop that requirement either as an interface, TIBCO interface, or we have to go for a web service. Why we have to go for web services, there are some key features which we have to consider. Okay?
Okay.
Because there is no necessary, otherwise we can go to develop like a simple TIBCO interface only, right? Instead of going like a web service. So I will let you know, like I will tell you the requirement and then I will let you know why we have to go for a web service. Okay, how web services are communicated, what are the platform elements in web services like WSDL, SOAP, all of those nothing but a platform elements. It's like a theoretical class only, this one.
Okay.
SOAP structure. Okay. And then WSDL palette, SOAP palette, service palette will be covered under web services only. Very, very important with web services. Okay.
Okay.
And then TIBCO administrator. We'll see TIBCO administrator introduction. How to build an ER file. We do have a var file, right, in Java.
Yeah.
Similar to that only, EAR, Enterprise Archive. Okay. How to deploy the EAR in TIBCO administrator. How to create a domain. These are nothing but as a developer you have to know these things. Creating and monitoring applications. Mainly we'll be dealing with building EAR, deploying EAR, creating and monitoring applications only. Okay? These domain creation, fault tolerance and load balancing, adding EMSR will be done by the admin group only. We need not worry. Okay? Second, third, and this one is very important as a developer. These three every time we'll be doing, but remaining all we don't care that much. Okay? That is about TIBCO business content. And these are the other topics which not are used much in real time. Okay, but I will be discussing on startup, right to log, and external command also I have used in real time. Only one time only I have used that one. External command means if you want to call any Windows or Unix command, then we go with this. Okay. And there would be one real-time project explanation and the database. I mean, we'll be discussing JDBC palette, right? And the database also, you believe it or not, that also I have gathered from my company only.
Okay.
Okay, that data also it's like a real-time data. Okay, and real-time production issues faced in various projects, and there would be some exception logging framework project. Okay, I will explain you.
Okay.
And I think these are all for the new people. Various environments in IT sector like a dev, QA, staging, production, and how to create a work assignments, change orders. Maybe you don't require these things, I guess. And when testing the web services, we'll do one test case using the TIBCO designer and one test case using SOAP UI.
Okay.
Okay. These are the types of testing. I think you are aware of this one, right? SIGB, UAT, smoke and sanity testing, and how to perform unit testing by writing test cases, escalating issues. These are the things. Any questions, Preeti?
No.
Are you good? If you have any questions, I can answer you. This is about all the course content.
Okay.
This is the parts palette. I'm done with the discussing. If you have any questions, I can explain.
No.
Okay, so you're looking jobs only in Delhi?
No, actually I got married and I will be moving out of India. So I don't know what to do.
Oh, where are you moving?
I will be moving to UK.
Oh, UK. Okay, okay.
Because I
So,
don't have much experience. I just have 2 years of experience, so I'm not sure whether to go for TIPCO job or not. That's why a little bit confused.
okay, okay. So
How much
exactly you're
experience
a
do you have?
tester, right? Like 5
Yeah, I
years.
was okay. In which company you are working?
Right now I'm not working. I came to India permanently now. This is
O-
recently only. Uh,
Okay,
Earlier, I mean, my whole experience is in US and I completed my master's in US only.
okay,
And then I worked like a typical developer for 5 years. And then I just want to take a break those many years
okay.
continuously. I
Actually,
have to
I have started looking job in UK through some job sites, but I was getting at
okay.
a higher level experience like consultant, architect level. So I don't know whether I will get.
Consultant, I think you can take it pretty.
Okay.
Consultant, you can take it, but architect, I don't recommend it.
That's what I'm a little confused.
You can take like a consultant, don't worry. Even after completing my master's, I'm a fresher. You believe it or not? So I put
Okay.
like 7 years of experience in my resume.
Okay. So
Almost
currently
I
in
was
which location you are right now, in Chennai or Hyderabad?
Andhra. No,
Okay.
I'm in Andhra. I have to move to Hyderabad in next August. I mean, no, this August, next month.
Okay.
So that's all. If you have any queries, you can ask me. Consultant, I
No.
think you can put the experience. Yeah.
Okay.
So when are you moving to UK? I mean, any work visa you have or?
Actually, my husband is there, so I will be moving on dependent visa.
Oh, okay, okay. On QA, what did you learn? Like a quality center means you are a manual tester or a
Yeah.
automated tester?
Before I was working in Citibank project. So it was
In Wipro
completely
only?
support. It was a completely support project. So there was just a quality center we are using.
Okay. Quality center means just will be putting those test cases, whether it is pass or
Yeah,
fail,
test case and all those things.
critical, those things only, right?
Yeah.
Defects and
Mm.
defect ID.
So, but we are not tested. Actually, City has one tool, Eclipse, not Java Eclipse. It's something different which is City is using. So,
Okay.
through that, tester used to test the case, and if something they are getting problem, we used to recreate through Eclipse and getting what the issue is.
Okay.
Like that.
So requirement
Okay. Just a support team.
Yeah, actually we are in middle between developer and tester.
Okay,
It
okay,
was
I
just a
understand. I know
support
the
for
support team,
development
if
team.
there's any, yeah, if there's any error or something, then we have to change the code. And then
Yeah,
again, we have to redeploy a simple minor changes or something.
yeah, yeah, it was
Yeah,
support.
maintenance. Yeah.
అంటే 10 లోపల నాకు కన్ఫర్మ్ చేస్తాను అనుకోండి రేపు మార్నింగ్
It is the comfortable, or you can know with Sulit technologies also, we can start the process.
నాకేమో రెస్పాన్స్ రావు 11 తర్వాత వస్తాయి రెస్పాన్స్
అదే అవునవును
లెర్నింగ్ మార్నింగ్ ఫోన్ చేసి అట్లా
Any questions, Betty? Can I end the session?
చెప్తాను
Yeah, okay.
తులసి నేను మ్యాక్సిమం చేస్తాను
యాక్చువల్ నాకు కన్సల్టెంట్
Okay, thank you. Bye.
నాలెడ్జ్ వర్క్
Thank you.
టిప్కో ఏమైనా కావాలంటే చెప్పండి
సాఫ్ట్వేర్
స్పాట్ ఫైర్ టిప్కో బీడబ్ల్యూ ఆల్రెడీ జరుగుతుంది ఇప్పుడు అయిపోయింది జస్ట్ ఇప్పుడే క్లోజ్ అయింది
సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ మనం చెప్పారు లేదని చెప్పారు
స్పాట్ ఫైవ్ సార్ ఒక్క 5 minutes లో చెప్పండి.